Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm with my mom. Mom, say hi.
Hi.
Di hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás? ¿A dónde vamos?
A la tía Max.
¿A qué?
A comprar una tablita para picar verduras para tus videos que no te gustan.
My other tabla. We have a lot of tablas, but I want like a small one, that same size that I have. But like a marble one or something like cuter. Just like so it can match my aesthetic, you know, a little better. We're going to TJ Maxx right now. ¿Estás asustada for my driving or no?
Un poquito.
I'm just kidding.
Pues no.
¿Qué vamos a hacer hoy? ¿Por qué no agarras la cámara tú y tú dices, a ver, así enfrente, que te veas bien? Enséñame a mí y diles a todos qué vamos a hacer hoy.
Oh, cuidado, Melissa. Ay, Dios mío, cuidado. Be careful.
Yeah, Mom, I know.
Ay, no. Oh, vamos a la tienda ahorita. Ay, mija, cuidado. Ay, Dios mío.
Mom, I know how to do
yo saco el coche mejor.
No, ¿qué?
Ay,
si yo lo saco todos los días.
Ay, Dios mío. Yo soy muy nerviosa con Melissa, que no me gusta cómo maneja. Es muy loca. Cuidado, Melissa.
Entonces de tanta categoría.
Ay, Dios mío. Dios me protéjame en estos momentos.
Cálmate.
Y yo soy muy... No me gusta casi Melissa.
I'm just kidding.
No me gusta viajar con Melissa. Cuidado.
Viajar, subirte al...
Sí, subirme al coche porque es muy... Maneja muy recio. A mí me da mucho miedo esto. No me gusta.
My mom's vlogging, you guys.
Sube la presión.
Hey guys, we're walking into TJ Maxx right now. So our TJ Maxx is connected to HomeGoods, which is why I'm coming, because I need to go to HomeGoods, but I mean, might as well look around while I'm already here. Right, Mom? This is mi favorito. Dile que,
me encanta venir a TJ Maxx. Todas las semanas vengo a comprar cosas para mi casa, para remodelar, para adornar. Hay veces que Melissa y Daisy me dicen, qué feo está eso. Vengo y lo regreso. Agarro otra. Hay veces que vengo hasta 3 veces. Porque dicen, ay, qué naco. Ok, voy y lo regreso.
My mom is so funny, but it's so true. No, de verdad. She comes here like every week. Se te hace raro que la gente, mami, la gente te ve. Mira, porque tengo cámara. ¿Sí ves? Y ahorita pues todo tranquilo, ahorita porque no soy famosa, you know.
Oh, ya verás. Ay, yo pensé que era la verdad.
Ay, yo también. Mira.
Ay, ya por aquí están las de Marvel.
Looking for all the turkeys. Necesitamos una para turkey? No, we get it from Whole Foods, ¿verdad? What's this? It's a gravy boat. Mira estas toallitas. They're so pretty.
¿Son de las mismas cervezas de México?
No. It says Masterclass. La usas con una O. Como Oster or something. Look at the Moscow Mule Cups.
Oh, they do.
Mucha gente hoy. Y esa está bonita. Esto es la redonda. O la redonda. No, es un serving platter. Eso sí.
Había una que
sí
tiraba. Había una que tiraba. Una vez.
Ay, ¿por
qué?
qué?
Esta se ve fea.
¿Eh?
¿O qué importa?
¿Por qué tienes ese azul? Es un problema para mí. So we found some cute things, ¿verdad? Encontramos unas cosas bien bonitas.
Son una vela que estaba haciendo el olor. Ahí está, las cambiaron para acá las velas. Oh my god, olía de rico.
Mom, I don't like the smells that you like. Just saying, tenemos diferentes como tastes and candles. So, I've really gotten used to people staring when I vlog.
Oh my god, qué bonitas cosas
La verdad.
La decoración, ¿eh?
Look. This is so cute.
Venimos a la Neon a comer hamburguesas.
Yeah, we're gonna eat. Even though yo voy a cenar a las 6:30, pero voy a comer ahorita porque tengo hambre, you know? Los Sundays are my cheat days. Are you ready?
Una papita rica.
carne asada, honey, no. So, look at all the elotes we have in here. Ooh. Yeah. Taurino. Sorry if the lighting's bad, but I just thought I should show you what my mom and I got from HomeGoods yesterday. We got a couple of really cute things. I got these really cute pans from Cuisine Art. They're white with like the wooden handles. I love this kind of look. They kind of look like my other ones, but my other ones are black. So hopefully these are good because they're kind of thin and they say they're non-stick. So hopefully that's true because I really like to cook and I know when something's not good. And I have a couple other Cuisine Art ones, but they're really old and I don't know if it's gonna make a difference or not. And also, I got them in 3 sizes. So the small one, the medium one, and the large one. And we also got like some peppercorns to fill the little pepper thing that we have. I also found this really cool everything bagel seasoning. 0 calories, and it has the same exact ingredients as the one from Trader Joe's, and it was $6, and I believe that they're about like $3 or $5 at Trader Joe's. So this is a pretty good deal. I could just fill the bottle I already have, which I think is pretty cool. The cutest coffee mug. It says Mamacita. Isn't that cute? Of course, I'm already using it. I got these new spoons. So fun, actually from the same exact brand that my 2 whisks from Amazon are from. And I got these measuring cups. The nude, that's so cute. And we got like metal measuring cups this time because we've always had plastic ones and they always break. They always break right here because I think whatever's in the cup gets too heavy and it just breaks the handle off. I don't know. I also got my boyfriend this super cute jacket because he's coming to visit and he lives in Mexico and it's never really cold over there. Like his type of cold is really nothing compared to our type of cold. I know we live in California, it's not that cold at all, but his type of cold is not the same. Okay, so he needs a good thick jacket because he only wears like sweaters and that's not gonna cut it here. I didn't get a cutting board because they didn't have one that I love. They only had this like white marble one that had this blue piece of stone like in the middle, and I thought like, I was trying to convince myself that it was cute, but I was like, no, the blue is awkward, so I don't like this. I might have to order one on like Zara Home or like H&M or Amazon, I'll see. But I just really didn't like it, so the whole point was to go get a cutting board and none of these things. And of course, I walk out with a bunch of stuff I don't need and no cutting board. What can I say? HomeGoods gets ya every time. Hey guys, so today is, what day is it today? What day is it today? What day is it today? Thursday, Wednesday. It's Wednesday because I don't have school, so I am about to go to the gym, but I thought that I should show you guys what I'm gonna eat. And guess what I'm gonna eat? I'm gonna be making the chicken noodle soup that I posted on my Instagram story right here. Hopefully the picture actually shows up this time because the last time YouTube took it off, I have no idea why. And the panini, this one right here that I posted on my Instagram story. So let's just get into it. I went to Safeway right now to buy a couple of the things that I needed. Should I show you the ingredients now? No, I guess I can just show you while I'm making it, right? Like I usually do. But I just want to point out a couple of things, especially this #1 thing, this bone broth. It is chicken bone broth. It's not chicken stock. This is what made the soup so good the last time that I made it. This is why it came out so good, okay? One of the reasons, but the biggest reason was because of this. And I just thought I should say that right now. Okay, well, let's get into it because I'm so hungry. So I'm starting off with the veggies, and here I have 4 stalks of celery that are clean and dried, and I'm just cutting off the end, slicing them through the middle, and cutting them into small little pieces. I like to add 4 stalks because celery has a lot of nutrients, and it's not too sweet or bitter, so it doesn't give the soup a like weird taste. And as for the carrots, I only add 2, and that is because the carrots are usually very sweet, and it can make the soup too sweet, and it's not going to taste good. And it also takes away from a lot of the spices that I'm going to add into the rest of the soup later. For the type of onion I like to use in my soup, I use a red onion because it's relatively mild and it's not going to be a super overbearing onion flavor in the soup, because I am going to be adding a powder into the soup later, so I don't want to overbear it now. And these also cook down really well. They give you kind of like a meaty texture, so that's why I like to use the red one. I'm also going to be adding a shallot just to add a little bit of sweetness. This is a very mild type of sweet. It's not like the carrots, and it's kind of like garlic, as it adds like an accent of flavor that another seasoning or vegetable can't. This is the big ass pot I'm going to be using to be making the soup, and I just drizzled a little bit of olive oil in there and added 2 full tablespoons of garlic. I'm adding my red onion and my shallots and just mixing that around, and then adding my veggies. I'm mixing those around so they can marinate with each other and get all the flavor together. That's what they should look like when they're almost ready. I'm going to be adding my shredded chicken. I just added 1 full shredded chicken breast. I'm adding salt and pepper, and I just cooked the chicken breast in water, about 4 cups, with 2 tablespoons of chicken consommé, which I believe is bouillon, I think is how you pronounce it. I'm just adding the rest of the water where I cooked the chicken into the pot and adding 2 extra tablespoons of the chicken consommé. And here are the rest of the seasonings that I'm adding. These are all from Trader Joe's. They are not measured. I just add dashes of whatever I believe is enough for me. And I'm going to be adding some cayenne pepper also, just to spice it up. The cayenne pepper makes a huge difference, or I believe it's paprika, I think. But it makes a huge difference because it adds a little bit of spice to the soup. Now I'm going to be covering it for about 6 minutes just to get the veggies cooking and all the flavors together with the chicken and the veggies and the onions. And now I'm adding my egg noodles, and it's really important you add egg noodles because other noodles will overcook in the soup and they'll get really soggy. Now I'm just going to put the lid on it and leave it a little bit open for another 8 minutes just to get the noodles cooking with the veggies, and the soup is ready, you guys. Okay, onto the panini. I am just cutting 1/4 of a red bell pepper into really, really thin slices, and now I'm going to make the dressing. And for the dressing, I have 1 tablespoon of the garlic dressing from Trader Joe's, and I'm adding some chipotle peppers to that. I think 1 full chipotle pepper. I'm going to be adding some avocado. It's about 1/4 or like half of a fourth. Like I said, I never measure my stuff, you guys, so it's up to you how much you want to add of all these things. I'm going to be adding a little bit of this chipotle mayo dressing also from Trader Joe's once this is all mushed and mixed together. And just a little bit of this one because this does have a lot of fat, but it just adds a really good flavor. So that's it. That's the sauce for the panini. The sauce is so good. It looks gross, but I promise you it's really good. Okay, now I'm just going to be putting my peppers onto this panini press so that they cook down. I literally only put it on high for about, I would say, 4 to 5 minutes just to get the peppers a little bit tender so they're not super hard in the panini. And I leave it on high the entire time, you guys. This panini press is so good for everything, for meats, paninis, vegetables, anything you want to make. So now I'm just adding the spread onto my rustic bread from Trader Joe's. I use this bread for everything. You guys have seen it in my other vlogs. And I'm going to be adding some vegan cheese. I love this cheese, you guys. It's actually the best vegan cheese I've tried. Better than the Daya. It's from Trader Joe's. And I actually do measure my things for my sandwich just because I was tracking my calories this day. I'm adding my bell peppers, shredded chicken, tomatoes, 1 slice of turkey bacon, and some spinach. Now I'm going to be adding that to my panini press. I did spray down a little bit of canola oil. And that's it, you guys. Look at that sizzle with the cheese. Oh my god, you guys. This panini is literally so good. Watch when I cut it. There it goes. And you open it up and it's steamy and it's creamy because of the avocado and the dressing. And oh my god, paired with the soup. Best meal of my life. So comforting. Love it. Okay, you guys. So that's how you make the panini and the salad. Not a salad. The soup. And I'm ready to eat this. This bite, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the sandwich as much as I do, and the soup recipe. Hope you guys were able to follow along with the recipe. and everything else I included in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna be posting like more fashion related this upcoming week, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.